Oh my God, look at the size of that kid's head! Get him to radiology, stat!
You saved another life, Dr. Potts.
Oh, please, I was just doing my job.
I heard the technique you used was developed by your intern, Hollis Forsyth.
Oh, my intern? Why, yes, well, we did collaborate on that a little.
The patient will make a full recovery, Dr. Potts. All thanks to you.
Mm-hmm.
And your brilliant intern, Hollis Forsyth.
Why, yes. Well, she has been a helpful assistant. I like the look of these. This brain has made amazing progress.
Another life saved by the Forsyth method.
The Potts method? Potts? It was my invention. That intern merely transcribed my dictation.
Oh, my apologies, Dr. Potts.
In fact, I was thinking of getting rid of her.
Hey, I got half a mind. I've got half a mind to look for the other half. Something tells me it's not too far away.
I can't believe some people prefer open casket funerals. Disgusting. Good luck collecting your debts after I'm dead, losers.
My Psyblast feels a lot blastier now.
Good luck collecting your debts after I'm dead, losers. Good luck collecting your debts after I'm dead, losers. At our current burn rate, that's no good. Maybe if I move some funds around. I could postpone paying those bills, but not these. Another grant is off the table for sure. I went to school for medicine. How did I end up stressing about money management all day? Well, I just need to put those thoughts aside and focus on the children. Their safety is the most important thing. And it's not just because a lawsuit would bankrupt us right now. That casino mission would be good experience for them, but it's too risky. What if I let them go and the worst happens? Need to focus. Only one unfathomable fear at a time, Forsyth.
If Hollis associated risk with something more positive than death, it would open her up to so many more missions. I mean, life experiences. Give me your wisdom, Nugget. bug her in her quiet place, especially when she's pondering big ideas like death and money and stuff.
I just remembered how dire the Psychonauts' finances are. What if my husband starts wearing socks with sandals? Could I still love him? No. Whenever I see socks with sandals, it reminds me of my favorite German college professor.
If Hollis wants to solve her money problems, she's gonna need to accept some risk.
Mushrooms really do add a savory heft to any dish. When you pick up wild mushrooms, you really need to clean them thoroughly before cooking.
That's not the change I was going for.
I should really use soap when cleaning my produce, especially the cilantro. It's the only way to kill germs. I know cilantro reduces the risk of digestive distress, but it tastes like soap. And honestly, I'd rather have the gas.
Interesting. But that's not going to help us go on that casino mission.
I definitely could not handle that stressful casino mission right now. I just remembered how dire the Psychonauts' finances are. Sure, it's fun to take risks, but what use is it? Never say this out loud, but the truth is, I really, really, really just love money. I can't believe some people prefer open casket funerals. Disgusting.
I think the only way to get Hollis to take us on a mission to a casino is to get her to associate risk with money.
I think I just figured out how to solve all our money problems.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Teach, what gives? I was in the middle of a sweet hookup there.
Guess what, kids? You all did so well on your lesson. How about we give your new power a test drive out in the field?
You mean we're going on the mission? For real?
Isn't that dangerous?
You know what they say, Sam. Nothing ventured, nothing brained.
I don't think that's what...
Let's roll.
Heck yes!
Cool.
Right.
Sweet.
Woo!
I'm so glad you changed your mind about the mission, Agent Forsyth. I was nervous about bringing the children, but if you feel that it's safe, then it must be.
It's crucial they find out what these delusionists are up to at the casino. With you handling tactical command, I'd say our probability of mission success has risen 35%.
I'll take those odds. Now, how long till we reach the Lady Lectopus?
We are almost there.
Agent Forsyth, how are you feeling?
Lucky.
Well, we're here. Using a false identity, we've secured a high roller suite to use as our base of operations.
Now, children, you are not to leave the suite. Like most casinos, the Lady Lactopus has a strict no psychics policy.
Weak.
Be happy for this chance to observe Agent Forsyth in action. Teacup, this is Shoehorn. We are nearing position 1. I'm moving down the primary ventilation shaft, and Duffman is approaching the front desk.
Shh.
Teacup, come in. Are you there?
What you doing, Morris?
I'll tell you what
yes.
I'm not doing.
Shoehorn, this is
I'm
Teacup.
not watching the
I have you on video.
pre-semi-final practice vote to find out who's maybe not going on to the next round of Pop Gladiators.
Disabled the side detectors and inhibitors on your
You sure
phone.
you should be making drinks? Agent Forsyth is right over there.
After
Rasputin, we're just fooling around. Lighten up.
Actually, I did eat one of those pickled onions, and I think I got a little buzz off of it.
My position is close.
Those boys are
No
pretty
need to
right.
explain, agents. You do your job.
I think I'd like a small tumble in the
Radio
net,
silent so I
please.
can concentrate.
What's that?
Understood.
I think it's a circus drink. My parents would talk about having one at the end of our shows.
Rasputin, don't sneak up on me like that. Listen, do me a favor and run up to the jet, will you? I need my dowsing goggles. I left them on my seat, I think. You wanted to be on a mission. Now here's your first objective. Fetch my dowsing goggles.
Okay, but...
Hurry! Our window of opportunity is closing.
All right, I'll be right back. I don't see any dowsing goggles anywhere. I mean, to be fair, I have no idea what they look like. I've actually never even heard of dowsing. Oh no. Agent Forsyth, where are you going? Oh no, Hollis, what did I do to you?
Rasputin, is that you?
Mia? Sasha? Agent Forsyth is missing, but don't worry. I'll find her.
Hurry, Rasputin. We're in big trouble here.
Yes, please find Agent Forsyth right away. I don't know how long I can hold on.
I'm on it. I can't go into the hotel. They have anti-psychic detectors. Hollis must have some way to hide it. Morris, Agent Forsyth is gone.
Oh, good. Hopefully she's gone to complain about this broken TV.
Gisu, Hollis is missing.
She probably just needed to take a walk and get away from pestering personalities, like I'm trying to do in this tub.
Sam, will you come help me find Hollis?
Oh, it's begun, has it? Then I'm in the right place.
Well, then...
Alert. Weak psychic activity detected.
Weak?
Oh, I just ran out of the ingredients.
Guys, we have to find Agent Forsyth.
Oh, is she gone?
It's a trick. She wants to see if we break into these bottles.
Clever. Not falling for it.
Maybe I can catch up to her this way.
Cheater alert.
Wait until Truman sees all the money I'm going to make.
Hollis, wait!
Mesdames et messieurs, faites vos jours. Ladies and gentlemen, place your bets.
Don't worry, Agent Forsyth. I can fix this.
Mesdames et messieurs, rien ne va plus. Ladies and gentlemen, no more bets.
Huh. Well, it's different. But maybe it's not so bad. Agent Forsyth? You in here? No, I don't like this one bit. Oh no! Looks like Hollis had a spontaneous change in her worldview. Unrelated to my inappropriate meddling with her thoughts. Who am I kidding? I need to find Hollis's quiet room again and break that bad mental connection I made. Yeah, mind stepping aside, buddy? This is an emergency. No. No, you don't mind, or like a general no to existing? Hospital, so, your ghosts don't have to walk very... Oh, never mind. Suitcase tag. Gotcha. So pretty, so wise. I feel like I'm finally getting the hang of these mental connections.
New player, everybody. Deal him in, stat.
Come on, live, damn you, live!
Full recovery! You did it, Dr. Potts.
Call me Jack. Let's go for double or nothing.
Woo!
Banana. Banana. Infection?
Ah, dang it.
I'm so sorry, Doctor.
Oh, well, it can't be helped. Some patients are just bad luck. I don't like the look of these. Yes, the heart's salvageable, but the rest?
Should we fold?
No, let's hold the 8 and the queen, and we'll pull for the inside straight.
I'll just quickly pop into Hollis's quiet place and fix this mess. High Rollers Lounge? That's not good. Oh no!
Rasputin, what are you doing here?
Sorry, I didn't mean to crash your hospital casino.
Oh, everyone's welcome in the casino. Without gamblers, how else would we make any money? No, you just can't be up here because it's the High Rollers Lounge.
Wait! Agent Forsyth, I need to tell you! Ah! Ugh. What the? Oh, phew. It's just the morgue. Huh?
Yes, Rasputin?
We got a patient here. Needs emergency access.
Sorry. The table minimum in the High Rollers Lounge is, $3 gazillion.
What? How much is a gazillion?
More than you got, kid.
Open up! My patient is dying! He needs fancy drinks! Stat!
In my opinion, your patient needs an emergency dose of $3 gazillion.
Yep. Hi, can I play?
Welcome to Palinko, game of luck and skill. Can you get the patient to take her bitter pill?
Skill? It looks like it's all luck.
Oh, it is, but it takes skill to do it and avoid a serious head injury.
Oh, how do I...
Good luck!
Okay, let's get this medicine to the stomach.
Careful in there.
Yeah. where's her heart? There'll never be a gazillionaire with cheap payouts like that. That spot looks like it pays $1 gazillion. Hey, how are you supposed to get in there? What a ripoff. That machine is broken.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. The Sore Losers Club is down the hall.
Wow. He looks like an injectable. But really, he's just a pill.
What are you two doing here?
You think we're going to let you go alone and get all the extra credit points?
I'm just here to gamble.
Well, stay away from this game. There's only one spot on the board that pays out, and it's totally blocked. It's like her heart is in the wrong place. Hey, I'll bet I could... Morris? Norma? Where'd they go?
Don't give up, man! You'll never win by quitting!
Yeah, it's all just a matter of betting on the right color.
Don't listen to him, Sonny. Come talk to me if you want some true wisdom.
Any luck?
Luck's got nothing to do with it, son. I win with my brains. I got math on my side. A formula for victory.
Wouldn't the wisest choice be, not gambling? Maybe you should quit while you're ahead.
Who says I'm ahead? I've sunk so much money into this machine and can't just leave it all behind.
Actually, I think it's important to know when to quit, especially when playing Gruloki with your grandma. Sounds like you've got a method.
The secret is you have to listen to the colors. Let the rainbow of lights lead you to the pot of gold.
That doesn't sound like a smart way to make decisions to me. There are some misguided ideas floating around this room. I wish I could help them make smarter decisions.
The trick isn't just making decisions, but making the right one.
Ah, a little judgment. There's some progress. I wish they knew that sometimes walking away is the best choice.
I guess it's not really bad to quit, if it's the right thing to do at the moment.
Moderation. Isn't that a novel concept? Moderation. Now that's the real path to victory.
You know what? I think the only way to win is to know when to play and when to stop.
Swallowing your feelings sounds bad. But really, who wants to hear about those ugly things anyway?
Even though making new connections is what got me into this mess, I think making a better one here is actually the only way out.
You know, I think holding down all these feelings is giving me a bit of indigestion. Oh, that feels better.
Now that her heart is in the right place, I should have better luck if I play the game again. I want another shot.
Okay, I'll just need you to bend over and...
No, at the game.
Really? Okay.
Watch your step.
I'm no doctor, but I know what I like. And I like that heart much better in its new mode. Another chance.
Of course. I mean, you can't lose forever, right?
Please keep track of your valuables.
Yeah.
What? That can't happen. How did you do that?
A spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down, I guess.
Oh, you're going down all right, once the boss finds out about this. But you ain't taking me with you. I'm out of here.
Give me that gazillion. Okay, I got $1 gazillion.
One lucky card does not make three of a kind, sir.
And it's diamonds! Diamonds for the win!
Dang it, not again!
What are you two doing here?
Losing by following my foolish heart.
What are you thinking? Hearts is like $1 gazillion to 1.
$1 gazillion to 1, you say? So if I bid on hearts and won, I'd win $1 gazillion, right? Hey, where'd you go?
Okay, that's the last bet. Runners, to your starting gates. Prepare the patient for the exam. And they're off.
What's that sound?
Diamond Days dropping down. Silly, the club got stuck on a lub. Or was it a dub?
I'd like to make a bet.
Sure. Which runner suits you this evening?
I gotta follow my heart.
What? Haven't you seen the odds?
Hey, no one can lose forever, right?
You don't know hearts.
And they're off. Coming up to the finish line. And it's Diamond Days for the win!
That's weird. Most people usually win every time. Well, try again. Bye!
Okay, that's the last bet. Runners, to your starting gates. Prepare the patient for the exam. And they're off. Diamond Days dropping down.
Hi.
Oh, sorry, I don't talk to jokers.
How's it going?
Please don't break my concentration. I'm visualizing my next victory.
Good hustle out there.
It's a private locker room. Racers only.
Hey, are you sure you should be racing?
My doctor told me I have to stay off this leg. But he's also my boss, and he told me that if I miss another race, I'll get fired.
What if I raced for you?
What? You do that for me?
Yes, but I can't race looking like this.
Well, there's a changing room up there. What am I saying? That's impossible. This is just something I need to do.
Oh, different race, same runner. I can do this on my own. I don't need anybody's help. I can't need anybody's help.
I hope that's not true, because I ask for help all the time.
again. Life is more of a relay race than a wind sprint. Sometimes you need to know when it's time to pass the baton.
All I have to do now is place a bet on Hearts, and then take Hearts' place in the race. Hey! Let me run this race for you.
You're still willing to do that for me?
Yes, you rest that leg.
Oh my gosh, you're a lifesaver.
I got the disguise. I'll put it on after I go place the winning bet.
Isn't that a conflict of interest?
No! As long as I don't tell you who I'm betting on.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
To your starting gates. Prepare the patient for the exam. And they're off.
I'd like to make a bet.
Sure. Which runner suits you this evening?
I gotta follow my heart.
You never learn, do you?
This time for sure.
Okay, that's the last bet. Runners, to your starting gates. Heart's Content is in first place! Whoopsie, looks like the comeback kid was just kidding after all.
Yep.
And it's Heart's Content in first place! I don't believe this! A gazillion and one miracle, and you all got to see it. Even if you didn't win, you have to admit we're all winners here today.
Not me.
Oh, you're done.
No more races today.
Sorry, we're broke after that race, which reminds me.
Don't forget to tip your nurses, you cheapskates.
I have $2 gazillion. Please put the third gazillion on my room tab.
Sir, we are offended that you would imply that we would allow mere double gazillionaires into the High Rollers Lounge.
I'm making progress, but it's time to wrap this up once and for all. Sasha and me are in danger while I'm here gambling.